The world is going gaga over a smartphone game called PUBG. Don't tell me you don't know about it. But if you don't, in this video I'm going to give you a mini course on how to play the game and small tips and tricks so that you can excel at it in the beginning itself. You're watching India Today Tech, I'm Rahul Sethi. Let's begin. Short for PlayerUnkown's Battleground, PUBG is a multiplayer battle royale game, which means the first thing you need is internet.
Battle Royale is a gaming genre where players need to survive somehow with resources available. They are left on a map with 99 other players, and to survive you need to kill or you will be killed. There are two major game modes, third person and first person. The first person is more like Counter-Strike and other serious shooter games. It is more difficult to play and you just see players' hands while going around in the map. In third person, it is easier to figure out things as the field of view is wider and you can see who is standing behind you, which makes it easier to kill them. Both modes can be played in arcade or classic style matches. Arcade is a short duration but more intense match that is fun to play. The classic mode is a proper full-length match where full map area is available to roam about. Also, there are no restrictions on weapons, so you can use any weapon available. There are several maps to choose from and more keep on adding. So in that way, PUBG is a very extensive game for a mobile phone. You can choose to play alone or in double or with two other players. You can also invite your friends in a match, but you need to be friends with them on Facebook or Twitter. Also, you need to kill to dress in PUBG, like literally. If you're playing for the first time, your player will be going in the war zone without any clothes and will be looking for them once in the field. But luckily we had played some matches before, so our player is fully dressed. All the controls and graphic options can be selected from the settings menu. If your game is stuttering, you need to lower the graphics to HD or even lower, and also decrease the frame rate to medium or low. PUBG is a very graphic intensive game and requires good hardware to run to the best of its abilities. I've made a separate video on best smartphones for PUBG, so be sure to check it out in the description box below. You can also fully customize the on-screen controls for your comfort. The buttons to aim, fire, run, drive and access crate can be modified and placed anywhere on the screen. All set and done, you can begin the game by clicking the start button. You're connected with 99 other players that join simultaneously within the next couple of minutes. In the waiting area, a plane takes you to the location where you drop alone or with the group, though all 100 players drop on the same map. As soon as you drop, search for items begin. You find everything from helmets, clothes, bandages, boots, to guns, knife or ammo and many other things. As soon as you go near a crate, the icon appears, clicking which will show you all the items of the crate, and you can choose and put things in your bag for later use. Also, when you have a gun, you shoot. If someone is around and shooting at you, an orange bar appears near your head depicting the direction of bullet shower you are getting. Turn that side, aim and fire. You can also throw grenades, though they take a lot more time to kill. Guns are perfect for this job, especially one with a very far aim. You can spot players and just kill them without getting in danger, and it is so much fun. If someone is around, try to hide. You can hide beside a tree or even crouch in the grass. You can sit or lay flat on the ground to hide and stay alive. This way, the other player is unable to spot you and ultimately kill you. The map is placed on the top right corner to know your and your friend's location. It also tells you about the zones and the direction to get out of them. Zones are particular areas in the map that you need to be aware of. Like in the red zone, bombs drop from heaven, and in blue zone, your health depreciates every second until you die, so you need to stay away. If you see a blue plus sign around, it is the friend who is about to die. You can go to him and revive him. No equipment or medical kit is required to revive, and the player can start playing again. A noble task in the battlefield. But if your own health is down, the bar at the bottom goes red and you need to use bandages to restore your health level. It is always good to do that beforehand, like filling up the gun with ammo and keeping another gun handy. Friends come with benefits in PUBG. They can save you from enemies that are about to mow you down, and if you save them, they drive you around. Yeah, if they want to. Driving is realistic in PUBG. You cannot switch while driving. Crashing affects the vehicle's health, and you also need fuel to keep going. We found the fuel barrels in one of the dead man's crate and we use them while driving. If you see a red flare, be happy. This is where you find some of the finest guns. Just be sure to look around before you leap, as snipers may be waiting just for you and aiming for a perfect headshot. It is better to crawl your way to the red box. Apart from cars, there are bikes, quad bikes, snowmobile and various other vehicles available to ride on the PUBG map, but they can be quite dangerous sometimes. If they explode, you are dead. This is one of the ways you can kill your group member also, who otherwise cannot be killed by the gun. Wicked cheat now, is it not? If you survive till the end, when all the 99 other players are dead, you are declared the winner, the last man standing. You get chicken for dinner, yeah, well, like you got bullets. But you also get some game money and a lot of other stuff you can use to groom your player. No weapons though. That you find only on the map when you start playing again next time.
So this was PUBG and this is just the beginning. There are a lot of things that can be explored on the game, including maps, weapons and customization to the character. So good luck with that. If you're addicted, tell us in the comment section below. If you're not, you're superhuman. You saved yourself a lot of time. Let us know in the comment section below as well. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.